What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kymm here, and you already know by the title, we are back with another video with your girl.
I'm just gonna call my other nigga.
And I ain't in the mood, finding my bag. I ain't in the mood, finding my bag. Do anything.
Anywho, I know it's been a while, but as you can tell by the title, I have a super easy, super quick, super cute style that I want you guys, if you want to, I want you to learn how to do it at home. If you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up so I'll know what content to go ahead and get prepared to be uploaded for you guys. It's a new year, new mindset, and I'm ready to do the damn thing. Like, we are a little over 600 subscribers from 1,000. So I urge and encourage every single person watching this video to go ahead and, if you like the content that I have and you are, intrigued and you want to see more content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, follow my social media, just so that you can keep up with me, because literally, y'all, this is the year. This is the year, and I'm tired of saying it without no action to back it up. So I'm done talking. Like, we gonna nothing but action all 2021. I just want to take like a quick shout out break. Like, this video, if you haven't seen it, this video here, you need to go ahead and watch it, because it has literally did numbers in a few months, and it surprised me. So I really hope that momentum can keep on going with this video and future content that I have coming. But again, without further ado, if you want to get this look, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, I am going to use some oil, like some serum on my hair so I can blow dry it. I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I wanted to really show you guys the entire process, and this is my third time recording this video. So let's hope that this third time is the charm. The other two times, one time the angle was not well at all. The other time I did not even record the rest of the video. Let's just hope that this time works out beautifully for us. So once I have my hair blow dried, I'm going to go ahead and part it in two. Pull out baby hairs that you're going to need or want. Don't come for me on my baby hairs. I'm telling y'all now that my baby hairs are scarce. They are scarce because,
mind your business.
I don't know. But I will say I've come a long way. So y'all better get on this train or be quiet. So I'm just taking my straightening comb and I'm pressing my hair. For the most part, very good and flat. Very good and straight. I'm just gonna go back over it so I can make sure. It's all right. It's not all that, but it's all right. We're gonna do the same thing for the back. Then I go in, clip this rubber band. I'm gonna braid this down.
Look at this.
You can take like some wrap strip if you have some. I don't have none, and I thought I did, but I don't. That, so here is what we have. Looks weird, I don't care. Then you have this hair up here, just keep it put up. I have one bundle and I've already cut it because I like it to be like a little short cute ponytail, so I've already cut it. But basically I'm going to apply the glue to the end of my braid and also to the end of the track, and that's how I'm gonna start it off. What I do is take my blow dryer, so once it's wrapped around, just taking my blow dryer. You should be able to pull at that thing and ain't nothing gonna come off. So then take some hair from the back. Thinking about like this much hair, you want to take like some Got To Be spray and spray it along the base like that, and then wrap that so there's one wrap. We got that thing wrapped up good. I have 4 little pieces that are cut to fit on my head. Let me go and change right quick and I'll be right back. That was it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did and you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. Let me know that you liked the content. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I really hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.
And I ain't in the mood, finding my